Good evening, students. Again, welcome back to my channel, City. So, hope you all are fine. And today we had our IELTS test. I hope you all attended well. So, we already updated the complete review of morning slot, and this video is regarding the complete review of evening slot. That is 30 September 2021 real IELTS test complete review of evening slot. So, let's see how was the test. So, starting from the listening module. As usual, in part 1, they got fill up type of question and it was one word only fill up. And in part 2, they got map completion along with selection of letter type of question A, B, C, D like that. And it was also easy. Part 3, they got large MCQs along with match the information type of question again. And this section was in moderate level. And part 4, they got fill up type of question as usual. It was one word only fill up. Overall, we can say it was easy to moderate level. That's regarding the listening module. Then moving on to the reading module. So the question pattern was little bit changed in the afternoon section. Anyway, we will see in detail. In passage 1, it was related to noise level and the question type was fill up type of question, MCQs and match the information type of question. That means they want to cross with the writer's name and all. And this passage was easy. Moving on to passage 2, it was rollers coastal. That was the heading of the particular passage. And the question type was fill up type of question and true false not given type of question. And regarding the last passage, it was related to mini harvest. And they got the questions like fill up type of questions, MCQs, and also yes, no, not given type of question. The passage 2 and also passage 3 was in easy to moderate level. Overall, the reading module was in easy to moderate level. Most of the students find it as easy only. So we can just say easy to moderate level. Moving on to the writing module, same like we predicted. In task 1, they got bar chart and the question was related to 5 different countries education level of males and females. That means education level of males and females in 5 different countries. That was the chart and I will publish along with the answer in the community tab as usual. Or else you can just go through our Facebook page for the reading passages and also for the writing materials. Then moving on to task 2, the question was under problem solution and the repeated question from September 16th real exam. And here you can see the question. Many people try to balance work and other parts of their life. However, this is very difficult to do. What are the problems associated with and try to suggest some solution. And we already mentioned that in our prediction list too under work and life balance. Okay, so here you can see the same question only they asked in the real exam too. So I will show you the model answer. You can just pause the video and go through the model answer, how to arrange the body paragraph and all. So here you can divide the body paragraph based on the problems and solution. First body about, you can just say about the causes, what all are the problems based on this. And in the second body paragraph, you can mention about the solution. The third body is not so mandatory. According to your points, you can just add it. So that's all about the structure. Hope you all attended well. So all the very best for your results and stay tuned for more updates related to IELTS. And God bless you all. Stay tuned.